fire-catching accidents. Place it 30 centimeters away from the fire hazards. It could be used more than 2 for preventing larger areas. Dreamt to buy your favorite car with your hard-earned money and already bearing the heavy maintenance charges and spending on insurances. Invest your little portion to buy a fireball for your car, preventing it from fire-catching accident and irreplaceable loss. The National Crime Records Bureau data indicates that a total of 113,961 people lost their lives due to fire accidents from 2010 to 2014. With the rising scale of fire accidents, AFO specifically designed an exclusive product called Fireball. It is light-weighted, portable and helps to extinguish initial fire. Designed with waterproof plastic shell. Consists 90% MAP ABC type dry powder and 10% chemical powder, which is human being and environment friendly. It is fully automatic, explode when brought in contact with the fire. Contains an inbuilt alarm to make the surroundings aware with approximately 138 decibel noise. Requires no training or technique to operate, just roll or throw towards the fire for automatic activation. Implant 30 centimeters away from the fire-catching zones. Could be accessed by the children, adults and elderly. Activation time of Fireball is within 3 to 8 seconds after brought into contact with the fire. To prevent larger areas, more than 2 fireballs could be used.